Heaven. John chapter 14, verses 1 to 3. Jesus said, "Let not your heart be troubled. You believe in God, believe also in me. In my Father's house are many mansions. If it were not so, I would have told you. I go to prepare a place for you. And if I go and prepare a place for you, I will come again and receive you unto myself, that where I am, there you may be also." In these three verses, Jesus uses three pictures for heaven. Three pictures to help us understand heaven. Number one, he called it my Father's house. Number two, he called it a place. And number three, he talked about mansions. We'll look at these three words closely in order for us to understand something of heaven. But before we do that, we need to clarify, we need to explain that here Jesus was using a Jewish wedding language, that the Jews of his days understood exactly what Jesus was doing, because this exact same word is the word that a groom will say to his bride after the engagement, after the contract has been signed, after the gift has been exchanged. It is time for the groom to go back home with his father. And this is the very word that the groom will say to his bride: "I am going back to my father's house," because the groom will have to go back to his father's house, and he will have to go and build an extension in his father's house, where he's going to come back for his bride and take his bride home to his father's house, a place that he has prepared in his father's house, and there he will take his bride to. And that was exactly what the Lord Jesus Christ was saying here. You know, the groom will go away, and usually it will take roughly about a year, but the groom himself will not know exactly the time he's going to come back until the father tells him it is time. And the Lord Jesus Christ was using the same metaphor here to talk about heaven. He said, "It's my Father's house." The word used there for house is talking about a domestic resident, a home, a household. So heaven is my Father's home. Heaven is home. Heaven is a family place. Heaven is home. Heaven is a household. Heaven is a domestic resident. My Father's house. So heaven is home. Number two, he said, "I go to prepare a place." The word used for a place there is talk about any portion that is marked off from surrounding place. Okay, it's a specific location. So a place talk about location. So heaven is not just something or somewhere there, wherever. No, it's a specific location. It's a portion marked out from surrounding space. Is a locality. And remember, Jesus said, "I go to prepare a place." So heaven is a prepared place. It's a prepared location. It's a prepared portion that Jesus has gone to prepare for a special people, for his bride. And then he said, "In my Father's house are many mansions." You know, that word mansion can make us misunderstand what Jesus was saying there, because that word mansion means a staying, a place of residence. Is the act of residing and the place of residence. Actually, many people would translate that word a room. So heaven is my Father's house. In my Father's house, just like that groom goes back to his father's house to build extra room, extra addition to his father's house. So here we are talking about Father's house, a home, a household, a domestic residence. My Father's house is a specific place, is a spot, is a portion that is marked out, is a location. And in this location are rooms, are residents that Jesus is preparing for each and every one of us.